Hi besties, are you ready for today's recipe? Are you sure you are ready? Okay, so today's recipe is egg stew. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to prepare your egg stew. So these are the ingredients you are using for this egg stew recipe. I have some onions, some garlic and ginger, some tomatoes, some salt, shrimp cubes, stew seasoning, all purpose seasoning, some pepper, tomato paste, and then some mackerel. Okay, this right here is mackerel sauce. All right, so I have some eggs right here. So this is the main boss of the recipe, Bob. So let's not waste time. Let's dive into the video. I hope you are ready. Grab yourself some chilled juice and let's get started. So we will start by cutting our onions. Okay, so cut all the vegetables. So after cutting everything, we are going to blend it together. Okay, all right guys, so let's start with the stew. So I'll go ahead and pour my vegetable oil onto my clean pot. Okay, then followed by my sliced onions. Okay, make sure your oil is hot. Mine wasn't hot yet. So we will fry for about 2 minutes. So you're looking for something like this, then we will introduce our tomato paste. Okay, so you're going to fry the tomato paste for about 3 minutes. All right, so just keep frying till 3 minutes. Okay,
we gonna make you feel so right, yeah. Dr. Ross's kitchen, Ediani Pankoa. Ross's kitchen, Ediani Pie. Dr. Ross's kitchen, Ediani Pankoa. Ross's kitchen.
So guys, you are looking for something like this. Okay, so at this point we go ahead and introduce our vegetable blend. Okay, our onions, tomatoes and everything mixed together. We will introduce this. Please make sure to lower your stove, because I you know me, I always don't want to mess up my kitchen, so I also want you to do the same thing. Okay, so at this point we are going to leave it for it to cook for like 3 minutes and then introduce our mackerel sauce. Okay, so let it cook. Okay, let it be on the stove to cook for as long as you are ready. So that's my Ekunfi fruit juice, guys. Let's support Ghana. This juice right here tastes so natural. I really love it. It's good for kids as well because it's natural, very natural. Let's support Ghana. This is free ad, free ad for Ghana.
Kitchen. We go give you all the vibes. We go make your food so nice. Even if you don't know Kura, you go know. We go make you feel so right. We go give you all the vibes. We go make your.
So guys, I forgot to add pepper, but it's not too late. So I added the pepper and then I stirred it and let it cook. Okay, so I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes and then I'll go ahead and introduce my egg. So I'll add a little salt to my eggs and I will whisk. Okay. So at this point, let it cook. Let it cook. Keep stirring. Okay, lower your stove and let it cook. So I added the eggs onto the stew. Okay, my stove is still lowered and then after I'll just cover it for it to you know, do the magic. Okay, you see the magic I'm talking about. So this is 2 minutes after. So I stirred it gently and then I'll cover it again. All right, now this is another 2 minutes after. I'm gonna stir it again and then let it cook for like 2 minutes and I'll just open it and introduce my spices. Those my stew spices. Okay, some curry powder and then some salt to taste, some shrimp cubes. Okay, just feel free, go ahead and use your favorite spices for this recipe. Okay. Remember the stove is still lowered. Okay, so this is our stew. It is given 10/10 minus nothing. Ah, it smells so nice. I just want you to try. Okay, remember my recipes don't take time to prepare. So at this point, the stew is almost ready. I'll just go ahead and then add my mackerel. Okay, those jack mackerel. So I'll just stir and then just leave it. So we will pair this with rice. The rice is given. It is also cooking. So in between my cooking, I always tell you, I clean my dishes in between cooking, okay, because when I'm done. I just don't want any wahala. Okay guys, so let's check the rice and add a little water to it and then just leave it. The rice is ready. It is ready. It is ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching this recipe. Shout out to all my subscribers, my returnees, my followers, anybody who supports Dr. Rosie. God bless you abundantly for me. God bless you. I love you so much. Just try this recipe and let me know in my comment section. Please subscribe for I'm bringing you more amazing, interesting recipes. See you in my next video. Bye.